What have you got, Oliver? What is it?
Nothing.
And what's on the pancake? What is this? Nutella? Is it good? Does it taste good? Yum. You going to eat it? What do you think? Jakie dobre?
Yeah.
Oh, you dropped it.
It's a double.
You dropped it on the table. Is it good pancake? Oh. Can you say, hi Baba?
Hi, Papa.
Hi Baba. Hi Jaja. Oh. Can you say, hi Jaja? No. Are your fingers dirty? Brudne fingers. Brudne. Brudne with Nutella. Okay. Bye-bye.